Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing video to share with you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open this. I think this is gonna blow your minds, and the reason I think that is because I think it's gonna blow my mind. I know what's in here. I obviously haven't handled them. There are multiple knives in here. Thank you so much to the people who sent this to me. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, I'm gonna let you guys know right now while I'm opening this up. The Kickstarter for this begins September 8th. So I'm obviously gonna try and time this upload for that. But the company behind these are pre-production samples. They said, hey, would you have any interest in looking at this? Because we're gonna do a Kickstarter for these. And I took one look and said, yes, absolutely. Oh boy, I cannot wait to get these things out and actually see what they look like. Now, is there any indication which is which? Hold on. Because there's definitely one that I want to save for last. And I think it will make perfect sense once we get there. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys right now, these are all Artisan cutlery knives. But anything that I have ever seen from Artisan Cutlery, right? Some of the stuff that I didn't like so much all the way up to some of the stuff that I really liked, I don't think they've ever done anything like what we're about to see. And I'm going to try and open these starting with, kind of the most reserved and leading up to, like, the craziest ones. So, I think maybe that one I'm going to save. I don't want to ruin it for myself, but I want to try and let's start with this one. Oh boy. So, it's the design. The design is what got me. So these are the new BOA. And what we have here is contoured titanium and then a contoured carbon fiber inlay. We have this enormous opening slot. God, that is smooth. Oh. And then this one is like a it's not countersunk. It's a sub frame lock because the overlay goes over it. So that is, I think they do... Yeah, this one's going to be S35VN and black. Very cool. Let's do this one here. Next up, we have, the all titanium, the textured titanium one. Yeah, that's the one that I remember seeing in the pictures thinking, yeah, I definitely want to see what that titanium feels like. Very cool. Oh, that's nice. Very cool. And then this one's going to be it looks like we have a belt satin finish. Kind of a nice, little bit. Is that a step up? Yeah, a little bit. They got a nice satin polish on that. That is beautiful. I love this. I think this is probably the same finish that they did on like the pyrite. Man, that is such a good size. This is such an excellent size for EDC. These are all front flippers. I kind of like that you have the option to just deploy it however you want, right? Whether you want to use the thumb studs. Honestly, thumb studs are okay, front flippers okay. The easiest way for me to deploy it is just to reverse flick it. But this is that same finish that they did on that special edition CJRB Pyrite. That was like a semi-mirror, right? It wasn't a full mirror. It was just like a super... I guess it's better to just call it like an ultra-high satin... ultra-reflectivity... Ultra-high reflectivity... It's definitely easier to say it this way, right? Definitely. Ultra-high reflectivity satin finish. Next up, I think this one might end up being a crowd favorite of the bunch. Yeah. This is a plainer one, but with just a regular micarta inlay. And obviously, since this is going to be a Kickstarter, there may actually be even more versions. Oh, they still did the really nice satin finish on this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So, and by the way, I think these are all, yeah. So these are all, so far, S35VN with a nice, really nice satin finish. And that definitely is a step up from what we normally see. Also, on this particular, it's just, the reason I like this look so much is because we have contouring, and then we have the inlay laid in there, and then we have a nice border around it, which looks really, really good. Sometimes inlay positioning is just weird. Like if they had just done like a sliver through here, it would have just looked really awkward, in my opinion. Pocket clip looks good. All of this, really, really great. The action is just spectacular on all of these. In fact, I don't think it even needed that much from me. Oh yeah, it's almost falls shut. Now, you know, a lot of you may be thinking, these are definitely interesting, right? But where's the part where our mind is blown? There's a fourth pouch. I know what this one is, because I just peeked the top of it. Holy crap. Oh boy. I have never seen anything like this from Artisan Cutlery. Hang on. Hang on. I want that stuff to shine. If you don't know, the reason for the gloves is not because it's delicate. It's because the oils from your fingers will dull any polishing, and especially polished ano. Oh my gosh. You guys gotta be kidding me. What? Oh my gosh, this whole thing is freaking Damascus. I've never seen anything like this from Artisan Cutlery. Anything. Hold on. Hold on. It gets better. Holy crap. What the heck? Are you kidding me? Woo! That is ridiculous. Listen, I knew this was gonna be nice. There I am. Hey. I knew this was gonna be nice. Artisan Cutlery, I did not know you guys could do a mirror polish like this. That is insane. Oh my goodness. So what's the blade steel on this guy? It's S90V. I didn't know you could get a mirror polish like that on S90V. That is stunning. That's a true mirror. I wasn't sure if you guys really meant that you were going to get a true mirror on it, but oh my gosh. That is spectacular. That is astonishing. This is the best looking knife that you guys have ever done. I mean, I love all the base models. I mean, it's really great. This is a very, very good design. The thumb studs are slightly pokey. That's the only out of the box critique that I really can give it. Wow. Okay, hold on. Really just want to I'm really, really blown away by this. I knew it was going to be nice. I really did. And I was very excited for this. But this one in particular has shocked me far beyond. I didn't realize you guys had freaking mirror polished the Damascus as well. Holy moly. So I don't know how many of these they plan to do. Yeah, wow. So there's gonna be a Kickstarter for this, or currently is, right? Depending on when I release this. But so far, this model is exactly what I was hoping it would be. Not a tiny knife, not a huge knife, just a good. By the way, I mean, if you want a measurement, these are. God. Oh man, all of these are super cool. 7 1/4. Yep, and 3 1/4 inch blade. So a nice EDC sized knife. Yeah, I am a huge fan of this. I think this is really nice. Man, I don't know what you guys are doing differently with the action here, but the action also feels really, really good. God, that is just absolutely ridiculous. I really thought, because I only saw it from this side, I was like, surely, you know, the other side's just going to be like titanium, right? It's not going to be titanium Damascus. Wow. Absolutely unreal. Look at that. Really, really nice stuff from Artisan Cutlery. Okay. This is the BOA, by the way. B-O-A. Wild stuff from Artisan Cutlery. Out of left field. Really, really cool. I hope that this is an indication of what, you know, that the quality on this model, you know, if that's an indication of, you know, number one, what they're capable of doing, and number two, you know, what we can expect to see with other things released from them in the future, then, you know, 2 thumbs up from me, for sure. this was a fun one. Thank you so much to Artisan Cutlery for sending these in. Like I said, check out any and all available information down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.